January 6, 2025. Houston police respond to a 911 call about a man slashing tires and breaking into cars with a sharp object. Officers arrive in a northeast neighborhood to locate the suspect and investigate the report.
Get on your knees. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
No, it's cool. It's some trouble that way, sir.
Get on the ground.
It's some trouble that way, sir.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground. Sir, I'm cool.
Get on the fucking ground, man.
I'm cool, sir.
Get on the ground.
I'm cool, sir.
He's running. Down Bridgeshire.
Running. It is a decision that almost never ends well. Why choose to turn a simple investigation into a high-stakes chase? What is he trying to hide, and how far is he willing to go to avoid being caught?
Green long sleeve, green hats, gray hoodie. Hey, stop running, man. He's still running. Going south on Homestead from Bridgeshire. Oh, he's going north on Homestead. Bro, come on! Oh my God! Hey, oh my God. Stop! Oh, what's out? Move! Move, Verdugo! Oh my God! Put your shit. You got. Oh, careful! Don't move!
Don't move, my man. Don't move.
Careful! You have control of your gun? Do you have control of your gun?
He's down.
Do you have control of your gun?
Man, how you doing?
Careful, does he have your gun still? Okay. Careful. If his hand is on your trigger, be careful. Still got my gun, dude.
Stop blocking the streets. Hey, what? Hey, get down!
Careful. If his hand is on his gun, be careful. Yes.
He's down.
Are you okay, brother? Hey, my man, you good? Start taking your stuff off. Make sure you're not hit. Make sure you're not hit, okay?
Stephen Green was pronounced dead at the scene by paramedics. Fortunately, despite the chaotic struggle and a shot being fired, no officers or innocent bystanders were injured. This outcome is a stark reminder of how close this incident came to being an even greater tragedy. While the Bodycam footage shows the intensity of the fight, the most critical evidence came from the forensic investigation. Experts confirmed that Green managed to pull the trigger of the officer weapon while it was still inside the holster. This is a nightmare scenario for any law enforcement officer. In the eyes of the law, once a suspect attempts to take control of a firearm, the situation immediately transitions from a physical struggle to a deadly force encounter. From a tactical perspective, we have to look at the speed of the reaction. When that round went off, the second officer had a fraction of a second to decide how to protect his partner. There is no time for warning shots or negotiations when a weapon is being fired in such close quarters. This case is often used in training to show why weapon retention is the highest priority during an arrest. But it also leaves us with important questions to think about. Could the officers have maintained a safer distance earlier in the encounter? Or did the suspect's sudden escalation make this outcome unavoidable? It is easy for us to watch this in slow motion and point out mistakes, but in the heat of the moment, there are no do-overs. We want to hear your perspective on this case. Does the fact that a shot was fired from the holster change how you view the officer's decision? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you appreciate these deep dives into the reality of police work, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Your support helps us provide the context and education behind these critical incidents. Thank you for watching, and stay safe.